Hi everyone, I am back with today's Hangman game. It's our spot prize giveaway fun game, and we didn't do very well yesterday, did we? But then we do have a lot of words here, so I can totally understand it. But you know what that means? We need to add something more to the pot because nobody got it right. So I have been making these little cute handbags, look, with one of my new dies. It's for a Rolodex, but you don't have to use it for Rolodex. It's Rolodex. It's a fun little item to put in junk journals or on a card. Or now, I just have to say, one of my new subbies didn't know who Charlie Asbo was, i.e. we had a hangman game the other day, and the answer was Charlie Asbo, and one of my subbies went, well, who's Charlie Asbo? This is Charlie Asbo, and yes, he is quite the character, and he's very, very naughty, and normally he does appear in most videos and knocks the camera flying, as you will see. So yes, this is naughty. Oi, hey, pay attention, you're on camera now. Yes. Right, so this is Charlie Asbo. Right, okay, so this is what I'm going to add for no one getting it right. This cute little handbag, and it opens up, and it's just super cute. Excuse me. And we need to pull out more letters, don't we? So let's have a look and see what letters we're going to get today. Oh, we're going to have this one here. Let's have a look and see. Oh, it's a C. Oh, we do have a C. Right, I'm going to give you a clue as well. So, this is where there's my felt tip pen marker gone. Oh, trust me to lose my, oh, where is my felt tip pen gone that I was using yesterday? Always the way. I bet you've had it, ain't you, Charlie? Right, the C goes here, and the clue is this is something to do with weddings. So we have a C here. Let me just make sure there's no more. Nope, that's it. So we do have a letter. It is the letter C. So, and it is something to do with weddings. So let's have a look and see. I'll see you back tomorrow. See if anybody is any closer to finding out what this is. Oh dear, I think we're going to have a huge pile of goodies on this one, because obviously every day that goes by we do add new things, and every letter that we pull out that's not, we add more things. So at the moment we have these goodies, these burlap tags, some lovely bling, a gorgeous, I love this die. I'm going to have this featured in one of my next videos, and I'm going to show you it. This is the die here. So I'm going to be, oh look, I forgot to show you the little zipper on the back. Look how just too cute that is. So I will be showing this in another video also alongside it. Wait till you see this. Look at these little unicorn bag toppers. So cute. I will link the handbag die and the unicorn bag topper in the description below if you want to order them. Look how cute that is. Look, and I've just put some little bows in there. I got this ready to add into the pile, but look at him. He's so cute. And these are so quick to make. And I've just got these little bags, and stop being a pain now. So yes, look at him. He's lovely. So he might be going in the pile tomorrow with all these. We will have to see. Right, my lovelies, I will see you later. I have more Aliexpress videos going up, and lots at the weekend as well. So see you all very, very soon from me and from the naughty Mr. Charlie Asbo. We shall see you all very, very soon. Won't we, Charles? Won't we? Yes, we... Oh. You're lucky Baxter doesn't live here, because everybody liked Baxter and said he was very cute. Yes, he's not as naughty as you are, though, is he? No. Oh, you're very naughty, you are, aren't you? Do you want to play Mummy's pen? Oh, don't bite it. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. He's so cute. Right, I'm going. I'll see you all soon. See you tomorrow. Good luck with it. Remember, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 words. And those are the letters so far. And it's something to do with weddings. That's all the clues I'm giving you. See you soon. Bye-bye.